Hey guys, it's Jazz Plans and welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing an AliExpress stationery unboxing today, but feel free to stick around towards the middle or end of the video. I did order some items from other stores as well. So with that being said, let's get on to the video. The first item that I have is this pack of stickers. They're labeled as scrapbooking stickers, but I think they work perfectly fine for a planner. Honestly, you can use stickers for anywhere that you want. So yeah, it comes in 60 pieces and it comes with 3 pieces of each design. Honestly, I didn't really get a preview of what the designs were, so some of these I won't be able to really use just because I don't really know what it says. But overall, they're really cute. They're like paper-like, so yeah. The second item that I have are these cute little Instagram / music player stickers, and they were different colors, but this one I got in all blue, so it's the blue theme. And as you can see, they are like little Instagram layouts. They have different designs on them, and I believe that they have 3 of each design. I'm not too sure, but yeah, they're just these clear transparent stickers. They're kind of matte-like on the front, and they come in different sizes. As you can see, the sizes are different for the Instagram layout versus the music layout, and I just realized that there's like this alarm clock layout too. But yeah, and they are held together by this clear sticker in the back, and then you can just peel it off and they'll be ready to go. So the next item I have again is this sticker pack. It's 50 pieces and it was really cheap. By the way, the Black Friday deals, that's not what I ordered. I ordered it for a different price, I believe. I did order these a couple months back. The one that I ordered was the multicolor pack. They're just different designs, different shapes, some really fun stuff that I felt like I really needed for my planner. So the next package is actually not from AliExpress, but was from Wish. It ended up being free upon sign up, which is why I decided to include it in this video. This time it's the yellow theme. As you can see, they're all include yellow in their stickers, and again, they're just random, no duplicates, and yeah. Item I have is from AliExpress again, and it's the Sakura Jelly Roll pen in white. I got it in the size 5, but I do recommend going for the size 10 if you wanted a more pigmented pen. As you can see, I did do a test run and it wasn't what I expected, but I think that is because I got the size 5 rather than the 10. Okay, so the next item on the list is another sticker pack. Surprise, surprise, but I did want a lot of these non-duplicate stickers. They came in 50 pieces again, and this time it was from AliExpress. So pretty straightforward, don't need to explain myself again. It's just random, no duplicates, and it's like this glossy material, so it's really sturdy, and I think you can stick it on your Hydro Flask and it won't get ruined. To the big boy package, I would say, is the 12-piece Washi Tapes set. It did come in this cardboard like box, and it's from Kevin and Salsa Crafts. I've never heard of that, but I'm assuming it's a brand over there. And I went for this type of set. There were different colors. There was like blue, green, but I decided to go for the gray, white, and black theme. And like I said, it did come in this cardboard box, and it did get a little bit damaged during delivery, but honestly, I don't blame them. It did come from China and shipped all the way to the United States, but that's not that big of a deal. The most important part are the washi tapes here. So it comes with a pretty decent amount on each roll. As you can see, there are different sizes. There's a small, a medium, and the larger type of set. There were just different varieties of shapes and colors, and I felt like this would be a really good set for neutral tones. Now on to the next package. It was a bit difficult to open, I must say. I decided to include me trying to open it in the video because I thought it was a pretty long and lengthy process, and I actually like the effort that they put into packaging this. Since it is coming from China, I really liked how they were considerate about it not breaking upon arrival. But I did want to mention that I ordered 2 more items from AliExpress that I did not get in the mail. I ordered these 3 months ago and I still have not got them, and I just pictured them here. No big deal, they were only like $2, but I did want to address that if you did want to order from AliExpress, to just take note and be careful that you might not get each package on time, or it just might take a really long time to get here. So anyways, back to the video. This time it is a washi tape organizer. And as you can see, it's pretty sturdy. It's plastic, and you just twist this little thing and it'll come straight out, and you can place your washi tapes in here just like that. I'm just gonna use the washi tape samples that I have now. And so it fit about 5 rolls, but I did use a bigger one, so if you were using standard size rolls, I would say it would probably fit about 6 to 7 rolls, which actually is a pretty decent price. And you can see that there are 2 different types of blades, the thinner one and the thicker one. I didn't really want to play around with it yet because I did want to organize what washis I wanted, so sorry about that. But yeah, I think this is a really good set to display on your desk. Now on to the other items that I bought. I actually ordered 2 items from Amazon Prime. They are both going to be a Tombow brush set. You know how much I love my Tombow pens. So this one is the dual brush pens in the secondary palette. The other package that I bought is also the Tombow dual brush pens, but this time in the Galaxy palette color. I also got these Tombow permanent adhesive glue tape, as you would say. I usually use these instead of a glue stick like Elmer's glue or something like that. I just find this to be much easier and much less messy. Now on to the next package that I ordered is from amandarachlee. She is my absolute favorite planner YouTuber. She's awesome, she's amazing, and I really wanted to support her line. So I ordered a couple of items off of her shop. Please go ahead and check her out if you really like bullet journaling or anything like that. So as I'm unboxing this, it does come with paper to help protect it from moving around. And so the first item that I bought is this washi tape basic set in the light neutral set. Comes with 4 different designs, and I just can't wait to open it up. The second washi tape set that I got is also in the basic set, but this time in the dark monochrome color. Now this one is the dotted notebook in the standard A5 in the color teal. I believe there are 5 to 6 different colors, but I chose this one because it's my favorite color. And I'm just gonna go ahead and open it for you guys just so you guys can see how thick and durable this planner is. So already I can see that the hardcover is pretty thick. It's pretty standard, and then the gold accents really reflect, which I think is super pretty. And it does come with a band to keep the whole book all together. And once you open the first page, it has all of her little doodles that correspond to the monthly layouts that she had in her previous notebooks. And so yeah, it comes with dotted, obviously, and the paper is actually really sturdy, and it comes with 2 flags, so in case you wanted to keep track, for example, your weekly spread and your monthly spread. And on top of that, they're actually numbered, which is a really amazing feature that most bullet journals don't have, so I'm really grateful that she added that to it. In the washi tape packaging, she added her iconic quote that says "keep doodling." I think that was super cute. And as I'm opening up the package, you can see that the washi tapes are much more thicker than what we bought on AliExpress. They're about double in size than the ones from AliExpress. And then this cute little washi tape that she added with the gold accents I think was super cute, and that one is actually thicker than the rest and the other 3 that came with it, just so you keep that in mind. And I'm just gonna open the other package just so you can see. Same design and everything, just different color. That is it. Those are all the items that I ordered from AliExpress as well as Amazon and amandarachlee's shop. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe. I will link all of the products down below. And with that being said, thanks so much for watching. Bye!